Hi everybody, I'm Jim Kreisman, your Mexico insurance guru. I'd like to talk to you about 6 Mexico insurance scenarios that you want to avoid with your vehicle. Purchasing Mexico insurance is not required by the Mexico government, but I highly recommend it. The laws in Mexico are completely different than that of the United States. They're based on civil law, so it's the law that makes the decisions. The best way I can put that into perspective is to say you're not driving in the United States or Canada. You're driving in a foreign country, and you're not going to find a lawyer and a camera on every corner to protect you. Let's look at some of the most common scenarios that cause issues for U.S. and Canadian drivers while in Mexico. Let's look at an accident. It comes down to 2 scenarios. Either you do have Mexico car insurance or you don't. Now, in Mexico, involvement in a car accident is a felony, innocent or guilty, and parties may be taken in custody until restitution or fines can be paid. Now, if you do have Mexico insurance and you call in a claim, a Mexico adjuster will be sent out to your location and they'll sort out the details for you with the police. Now, if you don't have insurance and you can't afford to pay for the damages based on the law, you will be put in jail and your car will be impounded until the time when you can make restitution. Fleeing the scene of an accident. Whatever you do, never leave the scene of an accident. If you do, your Mexico insurance policy won't be able to help you. You will be taken into custody and the charge will be dealt separately from the accident itself. Alright, here's a big one. Partial theft and vandalism. If your car breaks down on the side of the road, call your insurance company to get some help. If you have to leave the vehicle, hopefully you have somebody to leave behind. Because if you come back and your car's on blocks and you're missing your tires or the car's been vandalized, it's possible that the Mexico insurance policy you have, which may be what they call the standard full coverage policy, excludes partial theft and vandalism. If you're worried about partial theft or vandalism to your car, always buy the enhanced version of the full coverage policy and check online as you're looking at the coverages to make sure that partial theft and vandalism are included in your policy. Okay, here's a scenario you don't want to find yourself in. Your car's stolen or it catches on fire and your only copy of the policy is in the glove compartment. My recommendation is always carry a second copy of the policy on yourself. That way, if something was to happen, you can call the Mexico insurance company, get the claim started, and you're meeting their requirements of filing the claim from within Mexico. If you come back to the U.S. and you put a claim in, you're going to be sad because they're going to require you to come back to Mexico and put the claim in from there, or they may just deny your claim. In addition to carrying that second copy of your policy, you may want to do yourself a favor and put in the prefixes that are required in Mexico to dial back to the U.S. or to dial an 800 number, just to be safe. One of the reasons people like to vacation Mexico is it's a great place to party. Now, one of the things you don't want to do is to drink and drive or have illegal drugs on you. If you do, you may get away with it and not get caught. But if you do, you're going to jail because you're guilty no matter what. And the other bad news is your Mexico insurance policy will not be able to help you. So take my advice, if you're going to party, have a designated driver. So there you have it, 6 scenarios to watch out for. Make sure to see my other videos, and for a wealth of information, read my Mexico insurance blog and other articles I've written on www.GotMexico.com. Now, when you're ready to buy your Mexico insurance policy, come to GotMexico.com, and in 5 minutes, you can quote, you can purchase, and you can print your policy from the comfort of your own home, and you'll know you have a great policy. I hope you found this information useful. Make sure to tell your friends. Look in the description box below for more information, and I'll see you soon.